Good morning. Is this still morning? Yes. Say good morning.
It's 11:19.
It's 11:19 and it's the day before Father's Day, and we are going to have brunch.
Turn it this way, I look black.
At the Ruby Slipper. I don't know if y'all can see that in the background. The sun is super bright. And then we are going on a little adventure here in New Orleans. We are going on a swamp tour. It's already hot and humid today, so that's gonna be interesting how that plays out. But it's a part of Joseph's Father Day surprise. Seated outside on the patio. It's a nice cool breeze. It's drizzling a little bit. I hope the rain pulls out. I think Joseph is gonna get a Bloody Mary and I'm gonna get a mimosa. And then they have omelets. Kids look like they went out last night. Why y'all look so tired? Amari. Jill, are you tired?
I'm not tired.
They just started. No, my knees hurt. I explained that later. A little accident. But we'll be back after we get some drinks or food or something. Joe got a Bloody Mary. Ooh. I got a mimosa. What you drinking, Amari?
Coke.
What you got, Amari, in that cup?
Lemonade.
Come on. Alright, Joey got the Bam Bam breakfast. That looks good. And he got a side of corn beef hash. I got chicken sausage. And I think this is like some type of, what is this called?
White chocolate pancakes.
The white chocolate pancakes. Myri got, what's that called? At Ahmad's breakfast. He has the salmon avocado toast. That looks good. To say brunch was amazing is an understatement. Like if y'all ever in New Orleans, and I'm pretty sure they have Ruby Slippers other places than just New Orleans, try the white chocolate pancakes. Them shits are so good. We was literally passing my pancakes around the table like it was the last supper. This shit was good. Nobody left anything on their plates. And that's a big deal because Amai usually don't even eat all of his food. It was good. The candy bacon was awesome. This sun is beating down on me. Like for real. Let me get in this car. They got what is that called? Fatitis. I paid for.
I saw the man with the orange hat. You know, it's like, big one.
All the other boats are coming back in. So how was it, Joe?
It's fun.
Am I? Alright. Recap. Overall, in the beginning I was a little disappointed we wasn't on the airboat tour. But after we got going on the bigger boat, I thoroughly enjoyed it. I enjoyed having the cover overhead. I enjoyed the breeze. And we was able to stand up and move about. So if you're on the fence about doing the airboat or the bigger boat, do the bigger boat. It's hot as hell. Humidity is crazy. Whew. I think it's like 94 degrees and humidity makes it like 101. I could be wrong, don't quote me, but it's hot as hell. Everybody has finished their water. I'm at the end of mine, so yeah, it's about that hot. So we're about to get in the car. We have about a 40-minute drive back to the city, where we live, and this might be the end of the vlog. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below if you was able to see any of the gators. We're gonna try to insert some pictures, and then tomorrow we have another day full of adventure. Again, I did buy Joseph gifts for Father's Day, but I just feel like because he's not from here originally, and neither am I, even though I've been here so long, I talk like I am. I just feel like he would enjoy an experience, so be that type of family. Like instead of throwing big birthday parties, we'll take a trip. However, Ahmad is having a big 10th birthday party. We're gonna vlog that as well. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.